No, don't put your feet in my pocket.
Oh, that was my idea.
Put your feet right here. You put your feet in my pocket, you're liable to push break my pockets off. Come on.
Well, I had an idea that if I put my feet in your pockets, your pants would fall down.
He has to explain everything.
I know, but there's only so much memory on this thing.
Okay. Help me get up here.
I ain't gonna help you do nothing.
Where are you going?
Whoa! Get my other foot. Whoa!
Don't hurt your back.
Watch your head.
Watch him smack the fan.
Hold on.
We're acting like a couple of drunks.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get up on your shoulders.
You can't.
Oh, my shoulders.
You can't get on his shoulders.
Whoa!
You're too big on his shoulders.
Watch your head on the fan.
God, don't you?
Whoa!
Don't you hurt your back.
Woo! I was doing a flip. You got a
You
video of
almost
that?
did a flip,
I almost did a flip.
a complete one.
Let's do it again.
Do what again?
I want to do a flip on the ground.
I don't think so.
Hey, can you move my...
No, because this is a house. You're not gonna take. How much do you weigh?
95 pounds?
Yeah.
Whoa, Tubbo.
Yeah. Look up there. No, I'm not gonna hurt you. I promise.
Better not.
Look.
Oh!
Ah, there you go, there you go.
Watch the head. Watch the TV behind you.
No, don't sweat. Don't hit him in the butt. Don't hit him in the butt.
No.
That's a big butt.
I got you.
Yeah, look at your own.
Look, let me show you something.
I don't have a butt.
Let me show you something.
Neither does Dad or Grandpa.
This is the way, you don't do it to anybody, but this is the way they always talk. Chill. I'm not going to hurt you. Put your arm away. They always talk to lift somebody by doing that.
That's also called the fireman's carry.
Yeah, that
Can
is.
you pick
Get
your
down on the ground for a minute. Sit down on your butt. Yeah, let's see if I can do this. No, turn your back towards me.
It's gonna be sore tomorrow.
Yeah, wake up in the morning and go, oh.
Ibuprofen tonight.
All right, now as I lift you, you're going to turn. Ready?
Oh gosh, oh
Lift
gosh.
up now.
Okay.
Oh man, yeah.
Did that hurt you? I didn't hurt you, did it?
No.
Okay.
Okay, I had an idea.
What's your idea first?
Tell him what your idea is. Now, you can't flip him.
Get my feet.
What are we doing?
You're going over on top of your
We're gonna get
head.
right into-
I know.
Stupid
You're
act.
going to pull your arms out of your sockets.
End.
Look at them arms.